Hey guys, what's going on? It's 25 King Sam, and today we have an unboxing of, I think, the Super Master Chess Magic. This came all the way from China. Its delivery time was pretty good. It was only like, I would say, a week and a half. So, you know, reasonable delivery time from 3x3x3cube.com. The link will be down in the description below. And let's get right into it. So, what's up? I am recording with my new Galaxy S3, and that's why the video quality might be better. So let's just cut right into it. Don't care about the packaging. And there it is. So if I haven't already said, it is my Rubik's Super Master Chess Magic. And the tiniest little bubble wrap. It's so weird. Yep, there it is. Put that to the side. More tiny little bubble wrap. And there we are. It is in that original toy packaging, and you can see it there. And there is a backup string, which is awesome. I'm going to have to make sure not to cut it. So let's see what this is. Oh, I guess it's just showing the solved solution. Well, not the solution, just the solved state. So here it is. Wow, that's super smooth. So I will learn how to solve this and do a solving video on it. So if you've liked, please leave a like and comment, rate, subscribe, you know what to do. And I will see you guys later.